Terraria error 0xC0000005, also known as an access violation crash, is a Windows error where the game tries to access memory it shouldn't. This causes sudden crashes during gameplay, startup, or loading. It's more common on older PCs when using mods or with incompatible software. As of 2026, it still occurs, but community fixes and developer patches have reduced it. Several factors can cause access violation crashes in Terraria. First, corrupted game files from incomplete downloads or mod conflicts can lead to this error. Second, outdated graphics drivers that fail to allocate memory properly can trigger the crash. Third, software interference from antivirus programs or overlays can block proper game operation. Fourth, insufficient RAM or faulty memory modules can cause memory allocation failures. Lastly, risky custom mods that bypass Terraria's safety checks can increase crash likelihood. Begin with verifying the integrity of your game files through Steam. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them automatically. Next, update your graphics drivers to the latest version. Outdated drivers can cause memory access issues. Download directly from your manufacturer's website. Finally, temporarily disable antivirus software and overlays like Discord or Steam Overlay. These can interfere with game memory access and cause crashes. Advanced solutions for fixing the access violation error include running Terraria as an administrator and adjusting compatibility settings. This grants the game full memory access, which can prevent crashes. To run as administrator, first right-click the Terraria executable file on your desktop. Then select Properties from the context menu that appears. In the Properties window, navigate to the Compatibility tab. Finally, check the box for Run this program as an administrator and apply the changes. Make sure Terraria runs in 64-bit mode, which is required for the game. For older Windows systems, you can also try running it in compatibility mode for Windows 7 or 8. If you're using mods, they're often the cause of access violation crashes. Use tModLoader to manage your mods effectively. Start by disabling all mods, then enable them one at a time to identify the problematic one. This systematic approach helps isolate which mod is causing the crash. Corrupted mod files can trigger the error. Reinstall tModLoader and your mods to fix this. Outdated mods can cause conflicts. Check for updates through tModLoader regularly. Terraria requires a minimum of 4 GB of RAM for the base game. However, when playing with mods, 8 GB is strongly recommended to handle the additional memory load. Insufficient RAM can lead to access violation errors, especially in larger worlds or during intense gameplay sessions. Faulty or corrupted RAM modules are another common cause of access violation crashes. When RAM hardware fails, it can lead to memory allocation errors that crash Terraria. To diagnose this, run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool, which tests your system's RAM for errors and provides detailed results. Overclocking your CPU or GPU increases performance, but can cause system instability. This instability often manifests as memory errors and access violations in games like Terraria. The extra heat and voltage fluctuations from overclocking can destabilize memory access, leading to crashes during gameplay. To determine if overclocking is causing your access violation errors, reset your CPU and GPU to their stock settings through your computer's BIOS. Restart your system and test Terraria without any overclocking. If the crashes cease, you can gradually re-enable overclocking at safer levels, monitoring for stability. Use the Windows Event Viewer to find detailed information about the crash. Search for Event Viewer in the Windows search bar and open it. Navigate to Windows Logs application. Look for errors related to Terraria around the time of the crash. The error details can provide clues about the cause, such as specific DLL files or memory addresses, community resources, and preventing future crashes. When facing Terraria error 0xC0000005, consult the Terraria community forums, Reddit's r/Terraria subreddit, and the official Terraria Discord server for solutions. Many players have encountered and resolved this error through these community channels. To prevent data loss from crashes, enable Steam's Cloud Saves feature. This automatically backs up your game progress to the cloud. Keep your operating system updated, as Windows updates often include important fixes for memory management that can resolve access violation errors. Finally, regularly back up your Terraria worlds and player data. This ensures you don't lose your hard-earned progress if a crash occurs. By using these community resources and preventive measures, you can minimize future crashes and enjoy uninterrupted gameplay in Terraria.